In your fast-paced environment, it's critical to have the right tool for the job and to be able to use it without extra setup, hassle, or delay. You need tools that offer the same superior performance when barriers and distance stand in your way as they do when working close in and comfortable. That's why FLIR engineered its new EXX series advanced thermal imaging cameras to fit multiple interchangeable optics, including a 42-degree lens to help you find problem areas in broad sweeps, a 24-degree lens to zero in on hotspots and find their source, and a 14-degree telephoto lens to find signs of electrical or mechanical wear in out-of-reach areas. These lenses unlock and release without buttons or tools. Twist and lock on a new lens, and the EXX camera recognizes it immediately.
All the lenses are of the same size, so you don't have to put something on top of the camera, making it clumsy and the wrong weight distribution.
FLIR designed its optics to auto-calibrate with your camera for the most accurate temperature measurements. Whether the job calls for wide-angle, telephoto, or a targeted view, you need to be able to use the right lens with just one camera. No add-ons, tools, or menus required. With FLIR's line of auto-calibrated lenses for the EXX series, you get the same accurate temperature measurements and superior spot size performance as ever, all with one camera.